You search for how to buy shares of Ramsay Generale de Sante S.A., a healthcare group listed on Euronext under the ticker GDS.PA. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To purchase the stock, you need a broker, and here we use eToro as a practical example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GDS.PA to find Ramsay Generale de Sante S.A. Select the matching result to open the company's asset page. On the asset page, you can read a short company summary and view the price chart across timeframes. Confirm the name Ramsay Generale de Sante S.A. and the ticker GDS.PA to ensure it's the correct share. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, input the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to follow the same example.